Hello everyone, welcome back to the image processing session. In this session, we will discuss about the image negative image enhancement method. Now, first of all, we will see what is image negative. Image negative is one of the point processing or pixel processing image enhancement method. It means that in this method the image enhancement is done pixel by pixel. Individual pixel we will take and apply the image negation on the pixel and we will get the output image. Image negation is also called as image negative or digital negative. How do we do the image enhancement in image negative? The negative of an image is achieved by replacing the intensity or gray levels R in the original image by 255 minus R. In this video, I am considering the 8-bit image, that is your grayscale image. That's why I am writing here 255 minus R. The maximum value for the grayscale image is your 256. Since we are starting with the 0, therefore I am writing here 255 minus R. This will generate the negative image. In image negative, the darkest pixel will become the brightest. That means the pixel whose value is dark will become the brightest and the brightest pixel will become the darkest. In simple word, image negative just inverts the bits. That means if we have a 0 or a black, it converts that black into white and vice versa. That means black into white and white into black. The formula for doing the image negative is S is your modified gray level equals to T of R. Here T of R is L minus 1 minus R, where R is the original gray level. L minus R is the maximum intensity value, maximum gray value available in the image. S is the output pixel value and R is the gray level of the input pixel value. For binary images, the image negative converts the R into S as if value of R is 0, that means black, it converts the value into white, that is your 1. If the grayscale value is 1, then the value becomes 0. For the grayscale image, that is your 8-bit image, 0 will become 255 and 255 will become 0. That means it converts the image into black and white image. Now we will see the demonstration of the image negative in Skylab. In Skylab, we first create a file, go to the applications, SCI nodes. Now here we write a code for image negative. First declare a variable img image. Img, you can take any variable. Use a inbuilt function imread, and within single quotes we will give a path for the image to be read. I am using the black and white image, that is my img3. This is a path for the image. Just copy it and paste and write slash img3 dot jpg. This is my image. Now next I will find out the size of the image. Since we all know the size of the image consists of rows and columns, therefore we declare an array having rows and columns. This is a two-dimensional function. Rows and columns are the variable. We can take any variable. Size is an inbuilt library and img. here we are finding the size of the image because image negative is one of the point processing method. That means we will iterate the entire image of the pixel and do the image enhancement pixel by pixel. Therefore, here we are calculating the rows and columns of the input image. Now start with the for loop. I equals to 1 2 rows, and then for j equals to 1 2 columns, and just properly align this end. These two for loops are used to iterate the entire image. Now calculate the g of xy, that is your g of ij, that is your output image. To calculate the output image, the formula for the digital negative is 255 minus original image gray level, that is your img of I, j. This is a simple formula which inverts the entire bit. Now we will display the images. First subplot 2, 2, 1, then give the title to the image. This is my original image, and then I am show. These are the three lines that are used to display the image, and we will show the image. Now second, again use the subplot for output image 2, 2, then title negative image, and then I am show. There is a G. This is a simple code which inverts the bit from 0 to 255 and 255 to 0, and if there is a bit which values lies between 0 and 255, in that case that value is subtracted from the 255. Now save this file, Ctrl S, and save this file in, you can save anywhere. This is my path. I am saving the file here, P3. Now execute it, execute and save and execute. Since the size of the image is very large, it takes some time. See, we can see here it is loading. That means each and every pixel gets modified using a digital negative, and it will display the output after some period of time. Just wait for some time. As we can see in the output, the entire image gets inverted. All the black pixels will become the white, that means dark pixels will become the bright, and the bright or the white pixels will become the black. This is the simple use of digital negative, and this is a code demonstration of the digital negative. I hope you understood this session. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.